Hello friends, welcome to the Cloudwick YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to get Microsoft Office for free. So first go to Office Developer. Here you need to click on the first link like it is showing developer program. So click on this link. It will take you to the Microsoft 365 developer program. So here you can see the button for join now. So click on join now button. Now you need to sign into Microsoft account. So if you have Gmail account, you can create one account for Microsoft using that Gmail account. Enter your email here and click next. Provide your password here. So once you signed in into the Microsoft account, it will take you to the Microsoft developer page. Here you need to set up your Microsoft 365 E5 sandbox. So there are two options like instant sandbox or configurable sandbox. In instant sandbox, it will provide you random tenant name. But in configurable sandbox, you can choose your own tenant name. So we will click on configurable sandbox and click next. So here you need to provide region. So we will select our region here. Choose username. So I'm choosing admin. And here you can see the option for domain. Here we will choose Cloudwick Teams and it will verify it if it is available or not. So we need to type password here. So type your password here and click on the continue button. So here you need to provide your contact number. So provide your contact number and click on send code. It will send a code to verify your identity. So provide your code here and click on the setup button. It will take some time in setting up your developer subscription. So wait for a few minutes. Here you can see that your account has been created like domain name, this one. You can see it provide for 92 days and this subscription is renewable. When your 90 days will be completed, it will increase the time automatically. So let's log in with this account. Open office.com and click on the sign in button. It will take you to the login page. So here provide your password and click on the sign in button. Here you can see you have subscription of the Microsoft 365 for free. Here you can see you have subscription of the Microsoft 365 for free. You can access Outlook here or you can see these apps you can use here. Here you can click on all apps and see how many apps you can access for free. So we will go to the home and click on install apps and click on Microsoft 365 app to download application on the desktop. So we will click on the install button. Now it will download the setup. So once you have downloaded the setup, you can click on open file and install it on your desktop. It will take some time in installing the complete package on your desktop. So wait for few minutes. As you can see here, it is downloading Office Suite to your system. It will take some time in downloading the complete package. So wait for few minutes. Once Microsoft 365 application is installed, so search for the Microsoft 365 in the search bar. Microsoft 365 like this. Here you need to sign in with your developer account like the one which we have created. So sign in with a different account. Click on workplace or school account. So here type your email address and type your password here. So once you sign in with this, so you can see the option to sign into this app only, or you can sign in with this account with all Microsoft app to this PC. So we will click on no, sign into this app only. Now you can see we are logged with the admin account that we have created, and now you can use these applications like Word, Excel. You can check out these apps and you can use these apps for free legally. So you can open Word, click on blank document. You can see Word is open and you can use it for free. You can check account options, like click on account and you can see the subscription product for this. So it is completely free and you can use this legally. Thank you guys for watching the complete video. I hope this video has helped you in getting free Microsoft Office.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.